If this is your first time running the MR7 software, double-click the shortcut on your desktop. When the software runs, it will automatically check for updates. And since this is the first time the software is run, the file banks will be automatically downloaded. This happens very quickly. Now it's finished. The second thing you need to do is go to the compiler. Click the compiler button. The compiler is where you select the files you want to load into your MR7. Since this is the first time you're running the software, you want to do a quick test to make sure that the software can communicate with the MR7 and see if the software is working correctly. On the left side, we have categories. On the right are frequency files. Starting at the top, the A to Z All Files list is an alphabetical listing of files in all the categories in the software. It's a list that is several hundred entries long. But you can also look at individual categories. If you click Allergy, these are allergy-related files, blood-related files, cardiovascular lymph, CNS concussion, dental, ear, kidney, liver, skin, sleep, trauma. Let's go back up to the top and we will select the compiled files category. This is a list of compiled files supplied by the software that have been found over time to be useful to people working with different conditions. Let's select General Wellness, click the Add button. It adds the files to the spreadsheet. The next thing is to choose the number of repeats. This is the number of times that the treatment program or protocol will repeat after the initial playthrough. We're going to leave it at 0 repeats. Now click Transfer Treatment to Device. Since this is the first time we're using the software, we need to add a name to the list. Click Add Name. I've typed John Doe. I'll click Enter, then click the name, then click the Select Name button. The software switches to a different screen as it's going to load the selected programs into the MR7. And it will file the treatment under John Doe. We do this test first just to see if we can communicate with the MR7. If Microsoft Windows cannot see your MR7, then you know you have a problem and need to troubleshoot it. Now that it's loaded, let's go back to the main menu. This time we're going to click the Patient Files button. And when the Patient Files loads, the first name at the top of the list will be selected and their treatments will be displayed. In this case, it's John Doe, and we see the general wellness treatment that we just loaded is listed. That's what you need to do the very first time you run the MR7 software.